Plugs into car harness at radio. Power, 4 speaker. For select 1990 to 2001 Mazda vehicles. No cutting of factory wiring needed. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. For 1990 to 94 Mazda models. Top reviews from the United States. NB Miata Success. Only slight hiccup I had with this on a Bose-equipped Miata, NB1, is that the amp isn't powered based on the harness instructions alone. If you wire the power antenna output from the radio to the amp connection, you can find a pinout on the Miata. Wiki, then it turns the Bose amp on. Otherwise worked perfectly, didn't even have to deal with a Bosectomy. Bit hissy without that, but that's not a fault of the harness. Perfect fit for 1993 RHD RX7. All you really need to install this wiring harness is a wire diagram for whatever you're connecting it to. Every wire on this harness is labeled for what it goes to. You don't need the wiring information on the package honestly. It's idiot-proof if you're willing to take your time.